This is a special podcast presentation from 700WLW.com. This is Casey Boland On Demand.
Got Casey Boland of Hanghold Capital Management. And Casey, we were talking here before we jumped on about what's known as the death cross, which is a new term to me. So if you would, explain the death cross.
Sure, it's when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. So some investors, they look at fundamental elements, so they look at earnings, revenues, return on equity, profit margins. Other people, they look at technical analysis, and that's looking at moving averages. And the 50 and the 200-day are very common. And basically, moving average is the price of the stock over a period of time. Investors use these indicators to gauge a trend strength, but when you look at a 50-day moving below, that's a signal in the past has indicated that we might be in store potentially for a bear market.
A bear market that lasts a long time? Just a quick down? What's it mean?
Well, it's hard telling because sometimes you get false signals with this as well. So this death cross that occurred, again, with the 50-day moving below the 200-day, this is the first time it's happened since August of 2011. And the other major indices, the NASDAQ and the S&P, they're still showing strength. The 50-day is still above the 200-day. But in years past, when people use these type of trends, it allowed you the ability to be invested in long-term uptrends. But on the flip side, it's limited the damage like in 2002, the 2007 through 2009 bear market periods.
Did we have a death cross in 2007?
We did have a death cross in 2007, and it helped limit the damage, definitely. But, again, there's false signals with this. Some have pointed that until the 200-day moving average is moving down, which is not the case, then this death cross should not be respected. There's no type of trend. That's the holy grail of investing. But some, they use this technical analysis potentially to help mitigate damage in the portfolio.
All right. Casey Boland of Hanghold Capital Management, we thank you very much.